Hello, this is Brian Casey of the Imaging Wire. We are here at RSNA 2024, and we are in the booth of Calantic by Bayer, and we're here with Rich Dewit and Matt Archibald. Gentlemen, thanks for being with us today.
Thanks for having us.
Pleased to be here.
So, Rich, can you tell us a little bit about Calantic and what you guys do?
Sure. So Calantic is the AI platform that Bayer developed a few years ago. The main purpose of Calantic is to help customers onboard or deploy AI algorithms in their radiology suites.
Yeah. What sort of challenges do you see out there in the market? What sort of pressures are radiologists facing, and how do you see AI as a possible solution to that?
It's basically, Brian, what we see throughout the years, basically leading into the show. So we're talking about operational efficiency challenges, radiologists being overwhelmed by the numbers of patients and the data that's coming in, but also accuracy. So how do radiologists ensure that they're getting the right diagnosis for the right patients at the right time? Specifically in the AI space, I think they're overwhelmed by choice, and so they're looking for solutions really that can help them pinpoint those two areas really to become more efficient and become more precise with the diagnosis.
Very good. No,
If I could just add one thing. So in addition to what Matt said, I think that what we see is there's a strong interest in AI and deploying algorithms to assist with all of the things that Matt talked about. There's also a theme of, can I trust the products that are being introduced to me as a radiologist who's been doing this for a while? So I think what we try to do with Calantic is it's not just the technology, it's also what we do to help customers understand what are the algorithms that would best suit their needs, and then work with them to deploy those prior to going live clinically, just to make sure that the trust in what the tool is proposing actually meets the needs that they have.
Yeah, that trust and transparency issue is a huge issue in AI.
Right.
So can you talk a little bit about what some of the things you're highlighting here at RSNA, Matt?
Yeah, absolutely. So basically, Bayer are building out their end-to-end digital ecosystem. So we're kind of moving out or expanding out basically from where we're really strong. That's obviously in the devices and the contrast media space, introducing connected solutions, but then building upon our strength in the scan room and moving into the diagnostic room, so the reading room. And so that's where we're talking about our innovation platforms and also the Calantic platform, and there's many more things to come in the future as well.
Now, it seems to me that AI is really kind of the dominant theme here at RSNA. Matt, what kind of trends are you seeing out here on the exhibit floor?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think there's a couple of things really. So I think return on investment is one of the key trends. I mean, who's going to pay for this solution? It's a new technology. Radiology suites don't have existing budgets for this kind of things, and that's what many customers are asking us about, is about how do they ensure a return on investment for their new AI applications that are coming in. The second half of that really is around performance. Do the applications that they're choosing do what they say on the tin? And that's something that we focus a lot on. Upfront evaluations of AI to ensure that they're doing what they're supposed to be doing to enhance the radiologist's diagnostic accuracy. And then the third piece is all around ensuring once something's adopted that it performs in a way that's expected, so performance monitoring, a lot of regulation potentially coming from the FDA on that as well. And so how does customers, radiologists, radiology suites, how do they actually activate that and ensure in an easy way that they're not overburdened by monitoring the solutions that they're adopting?
The performance monitoring was a big issue at the FDA's Digital Health Advisory Committee a couple of weeks ago, and so that's something that's definitely an important topic to follow. Rich, can you talk about what we can see from Calantic by Bayer in 2025 and what sort of highlights are coming?
Yeah, sure. So in large part, we're going to continue on the journey that we are. So building confidence in AI tools, showing the value of having a platform so that you're not doing this on a one-off basis, that you're thinking about it strategically and helping customers get there by understanding what's the benefit of a platform to deploy not only one AI algorithm, but multiple AI algorithms. There's also going to be a lot of focus on operational AI. So there's been a huge influx in image interpretation algorithms, but operational AI and workflow is something that we all need to pay attention to, because if I'm a radiologist, yes, image interpretation, I can see that there's a benefit of having a tool or technology that helps me there, but there's a whole host of other things that I do that I would love to have technology in the form of operational AI assist with. So there'll be a large focus there. And then lastly, I would say that just continuing to build our teams out, because even though the adoption of AI is still something that we're paying attention to, the support that follows on for a customer that needs to understand, am I getting the value of what I've purchased and signed up for, is something that we need to continue to pay attention to. So continuing to build out our teams, our customer operations and customer support teams is going to be something that continues to also build that trust with customers. And then lastly, as everybody knows, we acquired Blackford Analysis a few years back. We're continuing to come together. There's been tremendous collaboration between our teams, and we're just continuing to bring those teams together in order to deliver the best solution for our customers.
All right, very good. All right, Matt Archibald and Rich Dewit of Calantic by Bayer, thanks so much for being with us.
Thanks, Brian.
Thanks, Brian.
Signing off from RSNA 2024, my name is Brian Casey of the Imaging Wire.